A good day to all. Welcome to School Innovation Marathon 2024.
We are the team Texture Teasers, Advik, Adit, and Arif. We are from Class 7, Excel Public School, Mysore.
We worked on the theme Quality Education. Our focus area is inclusive education. We developed a prototype called Texture Teasers designed to enhance the cognitive thinking, tactile senses, and fine motor skills of visually impaired children aged 3 years and above.
In India, the education system for blind children faces challenges in equipping them with the proper training to enhance their tactile senses at an early age. Additionally, societal stigma, limited resources in rural areas, and lack of trained educators hinder the comprehensive development of tactile skills among blind children.
We interviewed a teacher from the government school for blind children, Mysore. When we asked about the availability of tactile resources and the types of puzzles that visually impaired children like to solve, she said that they have limited tactile resources and there is a need to introduce different textures to visually impaired children. Adding to this, she also said that the puzzles must be challenging as the children would like to solve these kinds of puzzles. In our research, we found that the existing puzzles have simple texture matching, which tend to get repetitive and boring because of lack of deeper levels in the gameplay. Some other puzzles are based on Braille, but these may not be helpful for the blind children of age between 3 to 6 years, as they may not know the Braille language.
To address all these problems, we developed a solution, Texture Teasers, that can help the visually impaired children of age 3 and above to improve their tactile senses, motor skills, and cognitive thinking.
Our prototype, Texture Teasers, is a puzzle set consisting of 10 puzzles of different textures. Each puzzle has 3 to 4 pieces. All these puzzle pieces are mixed and given to the visually impaired children. At first, they need to identify the similar textured pieces. By doing this, the blind children get an opportunity to identify and classify the different textures of the puzzle pieces. After this, the blind children have to identify the slits in the pieces and slide the pieces into the respective slits to form animals. When the same textured pieces are joined, they reveal a complete animal figure, providing a tactile representation for the child. This process not only helps enhance their tactile sense but also promotes problem solving and critical thinking through a hands on, multi step activity.
While developing the prototype, we faced challenges in selecting the right texture for each puzzles, creating textures with different materials. We chose locally available materials to create textures.
When we made the first puzzle, we realized that the pieces were not fitting into the slits. This is because of the added texture thickness. So, we removed the texture at the slits so that the pieces could easily fit together. This innovative tool incorporates a variety of textures and puzzles, featuring different shapes and sizes to engage users in a tactile learning experience. We are also grateful to ATL, our mentor, and our school for providing us with this opportunity. Thank you. Team Texture Teasers signing off.